Hello students, welcome to the online class. We are in chapter number 10, practical geometry, and today we will deal with exercise 10.2. So in this exercise we have to we have to make construction of the triangle when the triangles all three sides are given. Okay, so here's the first condition, which is all three sides of triangles are given here and we have to construct a triangle. So let us start construction here. See carefully, we have question number 1. Construct triangle xyz in which three sides are given. Xy is equal to 4.5 centimeter, yz equal to 5 centimeter, and third one zx equal to 6 centimeter. So three sides which are given here, and we have to construct a triangle with the help of these three sides. Okay, so check it out, how can I am going to construct this triangle. Okay, so here first thing we have to check that how this figure will look like in a rough diagram. So we all know that there is the three side in a triangle, so make any three line of a triangle and name it as x y z, whatever you want, where x y z, and give it their name. Suppose xy is equal to 4.5 centimeter, yz is equal to, this is y, so yz equal to 5 centimeter, and zx, that means 6 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram of the triangle. It is here. So first of all we have to make baseline of the triangle. So baseline, there is the, in rough diagram we have taken yz as baseline. So make a line segment yz is equal to 5 centimeters. So here is the first step of construction. Draw a line segment yz is equal to 5 centimeter, yz of length 5 centimeter, whatever you can write. Now in second step we have, see here, point x and sorry, here we have line x, yz is there, which we have done. Okay, this construction. Now we have 2 points y and z, and here you can say y, with y there is the point x, yx, and with y here is the point yz. So z to y is there 5 centimeter, which we have already done in first step. Now see here, x y is equal to 4.5 centimeter and z as x equal to 6 centimeter. So we have to use these two sides measurement in second step. So cut and take a measurement of arc for x y is equal to 4.5 centimeter, because x y is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So suppose if you have a scale, and from scale you have to take a measurement of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and see here x y is here, so y is here, so x should be in that area you can get, no? So from y draw an arc of radius xy is equal to 4.5 centimeter, which is given here. 4.5 centimeter is given here, so draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So from y, no? So here is y, so here is the arc which is cutted, you can see here with black mark. Okay, and similarly from the point z, we have z is, x is equal to 6 centimeter in question. So from the point z you have to make an arc of 6 centimeter. So you can see here, this is the required triangle. So for this we are doing third step. From this point, from point z, we have xz is equal to 6 centimeter. So take this 6 centimeter radius arc by scale and with the help of rounder or compass, and cut an arc from the point z at point x, here in the point x. Okay, so what you get from that point? From that point you are putting your compass here and cutting an arc like that, and you already have the previous cutted arc in the form of this. So you will get an intersection point of these two arcs. Okay, you will get this the intersection point of these two arcs. So name this intersection point, name this the point which where arc are cutting each other as x. Okay, so in roughly we can see here we have a figure like just x y is equal to y z, and we have a arc here as x, which we have done. Now from y to x and x to z you have to match, and you have to write here 4.5 centimeter, because the measurement we have taken for this arc is 4.5 centimeter, and this measurement for this arc xz we have taken 6 centimeter, so you write here 6 centimeter, and downside that means the base is 5 centimeter. So this is the triangle which we have to construct. So this is the triangle xyz which we have to construct. His construction is over. So similarly what you have done in your construction, you have to write into its steps. Okay, so similarly you can solve that kind of questions which have three sides. So do solve question number second, which is equilateral triangle which have all sides of 5.5 centimeters. So do accordingly. And then question number third, question number fourth. So till question number fourth you have to do as your homework. That means the exercise 10.2 whole is your homework. Do by yourself. Thank you.